Hello and welcome back to 100 Coding Challenges in C#. This is episode 24 and it's called Minibus Driver. In this challenge we're going to be looking at another case study which will give us a problem and we'll need to then write a program to solve an issue. So a student climbing club has a minibus that can only be driven by drivers over 21 and who have passed their test. We need to write a program that asks the user for their age and whether they have passed their driving test, then display a message to say whether they can drive the minibus or not. If you'd like to attempt this yourself, then pause the video now. Let's get started. So to get started, we'll ask the user how old they are. And then we will store that into a variable called age. We'll do convert.to int 32 on that. And do a console.readline within the console.to int 32. And then after this, we will ask the user to say whether they have passed their driving test. So we say, have you and we'll give them a prompt to say whether they should write a Y or an N. So we can say that, you know, if they type in a Y, they're saying yes, or typing an N, they are saying no. And then we want to store this into a string. So we will call this variable passed test, for example. And this time we'll just do a regular console.readline because we want it to be a string. We're getting a warning for this, and this is because it's saying that it could possibly be null, but for the scope of this tutorial, we're not going to be looking at validation of any of our inputs, so we will ignore that for now. So now what we want to do is do an if statement to check if age is greater than or equals to 21 and pass test is equal to Y, then we can say to them that they are old enough to drive, or you can drive the minibus even. And then we can say else you can't drive the minibus. This is complaining because I haven't put a double equals there, so we need to have double equals to do evaluation, single equals to do assignment. So let's go ahead and run this. Again, we're getting that warning, so let's just ignore that for now. So it says, how old are you? So if I say I'm 18, and I have passed my driving test, it says to me I can't drive the minibus. If I try that again and say I am 21 and I have passed my test, it says I can drive the minibus. If I run it again and say I am 25 and have not passed my driving test, it will say I can't drive my minibus. And there you go. That's it for this challenge. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below telling me what you think, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep getting updates when I upload new videos. I'm doing these weekly now and looking to increase the videos to twice a week. I'm also going to be uploading new content which will be looking at building applications in React. So if that's something that you might be interested in, then make sure to stick around to see those. But for now, I'll catch you guys later.